Hey everybody, we are starting this webcast off with weather. Relief from the heat arrived overnight. A cold front sparking heavy downpours. The rain a welcome sight after just weeks of unseasonably hot and humid conditions. And we did see minor street flooding in some areas. This video comes courtesy of storm chaser Pastor Jaime Garcia. It shows high water on 43rd Street and Oak Forest Drive. That's over on the northwest side. And here's a live look at downtown from our Gulf Freeway cam. As you can see, the rain has moved on, leaving us with overcast skies and much cooler temperatures. Hello, everyone. I'm Xavier Walton. The big question tonight being, are we done with all of that rain we saw overnight? For the answer, let's turn it over to meteorologist Pat Cavlin. Hey there, Pat.
Hey, so we're going to stay unsettled as we get into the start of the week. Good news, though, we are not expecting any big thunderstorms to wake us up tonight like we saw last night. 82, down 7 degrees from this time yesterday, and the humidity isn't quite as stifling either. Yesterday we had dew points in the mid-70s. We're in the mid-60s right now, making it just feel a few degrees warmer, but all in all a much more comfortable day than what we had yesterday. We're going to be mainly cloudy for the day Monday, maybe a stray shower or two, but we're kind of in a lull now between our two systems. We had our big rainstorm last night. We're going to be mainly cloudy and dry for tonight and tomorrow, but then 2 rounds of storms come in. The first one for Tuesday, the next one for Wednesday. We'll break that down in just a second. Good news, though, this holiday weekend coming up, Memorial Day weekend, looks amazing. We'll have the 7-day in just a minute. Satellite radar right now pretty quiet. Again, just a lot of clouds out there. This area here over the Gulf, though, does catch our eye. There's a little bit of spin in it, a lot of cloud coverage, and even a few thunderstorms. And as we switch over the view to our tropical satellite, you can see there's nothing organized here, but there is an area of disturbed weather here over a very warm section of the Gulf of Mexico. And because of that, the National Hurricane Center keeping an eye on it as well. This is the first area to watch of the 2020 hurricane season, which hasn't even started yet. We're 10 days out from it. Good news, though, the chance for development is nearly zero, only about a 10% chance. We're watching it, but it's nothing to be concerned about. All right, let's talk about our real weather concerns here as we get into the upcoming week. Here's the timeline as it breaks down. For tonight, mainly cloudy. Tomorrow, we could see a stray shower, but again, it's just a mainly cloudy day, very similar to what we had today. Tuesday is going to be the first round that we see coming up here, and that's mainly going to be for the morning hours where we could see a few stronger storms roll through. Then as we get into Wednesday, the actual cold front finally clears the area after being stalled nearby for the next few days, and that could bring us the chance for a few stronger afternoon and evening thunderstorms. So here we go with Future Track. We'll take you through this evening. Again, mainly dry conditions. Monday morning, we could actually start off with a few breaks of sunshine, maybe a stray shower or two, but overall Monday looks like a dry day with just a mix of sunshine and clouds. That's going to help temperatures to jump back up into the upper 80s. Here we go now, Monday night into Tuesday. So it's a Tuesday morning issue for the morning commute. A big line of thunderstorms comes pinwheeling in from the west. This is around 6 to 7 a.m. that we could see torrential downpours, some strong wind gusts, and maybe even the chance for a severe storm or two. That'll go through sunrise. That meso-low, that's what it's called, it's a small area of low pressure, will pinwheel off to the north. But as we go through the mid-morning here, notice around 11 to noon, big storms now covering the coastal spots. That'll continue through mid-afternoon before things wind down as we get into Tuesday. So because of that, the Storm Prediction Center has outlined the area in green and yellow for the chance to see maybe a few stronger storms. So it's mainly here north of I-10 that we could see some stronger level storms. But I think everyone sees a stormy morning as we get into Tuesday. That's round one. Round two now comes in as the front finally clears the area. That's getting into Wednesday. That could be a squall line for us here through the middle of the day and the afternoon. That could bring us some gusty storms and a few downpours. And because of that, the Storm Prediction Center going all the way beyond day 3, now to the day 4 outlook, and highlighting this area in yellow for the potential to see again some gusty thunderstorms, some hail, maybe even an isolated spin-up tornado. And again, just like for Tuesday, it's mainly north of I-10 that we see that greatest threat. Bottom line, we've got 2 rounds of storms to watch for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we are in the home stretch as we get to the weekend. But some much-needed rainfall coming with these storms on top of what we saw last night. We could pick up another 1 to locally 3 inches of rain through Wednesday. So the first half of the week looking a bit unsettled. For the day tomorrow, a mix of sunshine and clouds. Then it's warm and humid. Temperatures again in the upper 80s to around 90, maybe a touch cooler at the coast with a bit of an onshore flow. Your Memorial Day weekend forecast looks outstanding. Sunny and hot for Saturday, but not a drop of rain in sight. 90 degrees. 92 then for your Sunday, We could squeeze out a spot shower once more heat and humidity builds in for Memorial Day itself, but overall the weekend looking really nice. There's a 7-day forecast, so it's mainly cloudy with a spot shower chance we get into Monday, 88. Cooler than with those morning storms for Tuesday. It's about an 80% chance now. We may have to bump that up. But that's going to be day one that we keep an eye on for the chance to see some severe storms. The second round comes in on Wednesday. Temperatures notice in the lower 80s because we do get those storms rolling in through the middle of the day. Beyond that, my pick of the week here, Xavier, is Thursday. Low humidity. We wake up to temperatures in the mid-60s. So a nice cool start finally. We only top out in the mid-80s. We do gradually get back to the 90s, but overall a long stretch of sunshine and beautiful weather getting into the Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah, Pat's pick on Thursday. I know that's your day off too, Pat. You're not slick. Yeah. I know what you're doing there, my friend.
That's right. We put in a good word.
All right, Pat. Thank you.